Oh, hiccups aren't going away, huh? You just get them all the time, don't you? Yeah, poor baby. You don't like the hiccups, huh?